For food and pharmaceutical manufacturers, it seems there are more and more regulations to comply with every day. As a result, companies need to keep comprehensive records to help minimize brand damage and costs associated with inevitable compliance audits and product recalls. You need to track all products from raw ingredients and suppliers through the production process and finally out to the customer. But how do you collect and maintain the data you need when paper and manual processes are error-prone and out of date? Radley's Traceability software is the proactive solution to meeting quality and compliance requirements. Traceability replaces your handwritten logs and reports with complete forward and backward visibility. Powered by our trademarked IntelliLabel technology, you can track serialized and commingled lots to create a full audit trail. Capture unlimited data, including lot, supplier, expiration dates, quality, and more, starting with receiving to production, finished goods, all the way through shipping. Use the built-in query and reporting features to quickly navigate through the data. Easily search for recall data, access historical information, and respond to audits with pinpoint precision. Now you can focus specifically on when and where problems occurred and respond directly to only the affected product, minimizing costs and brand damage. With decades of experience helping manufacturers like you streamline and automate processes, Radley's team can configure a solution for your unique workflows and compliance needs. Implement traceability as a standalone solution or seamlessly integrate with your back-end system to fill gaps in your ERP's functionality. Don't wait until a recall happens to you. If it's time to reduce audit and recall risks to your company, contact a Radley product specialist today.